Now I'm going to an Indian store, which is about maybe 4 or 5 miles away from here, to buy few things from the Indian store, which you can only get from Indian store. You can't get from anywhere. This is Doncaster, and I am not very far off from the center. This is a side street, and I'm heading towards a main road in a minute. Roads are very quiet because of Corona. Weather is not very good. It's cloudy, not very bright, not raining, but it is cold. Now I am on a main road, and from here I'm going to turn left. Main roads are a bit busy. There is some traffic at the main road. Okay, now it's safe to turn, and now I'm taking next right turn. I'm waiting for this car. When it will go past, then I will start turning because he got priority. Okay, again I'm on a side road. Now I'm heading towards another main road, and I'm going to turn right from here. Road traffic is not very busy, it's quiet. These are some shops here. And shops are quiet. Mostly they are closed. Only a few are open. He blocked my view, so I can't turn. Now I think I can go. It is safe to go. This is a good driver who let me pull out. All shops you can see they are shut. There are only few people walking on the footpath because it's getting darker. So that's why people, drivers, got their headlights on. These children are coming from school. Schools are open. What a stupid system. Then when people gather in school, that's okay, because Corona is very scared of kids. You don't go near them, especially when they are by self or with mom and dad. That's okay then. The only grown-up people, they are in danger. They should not walk in groups, and they should not get out of their houses either, because Corona doesn't like older people or grown-up people. You only love younger people. You don't say anything to them. Come on, man. I think because of school there are a lot of children. Some may be crossing the road, I think, but there is no zebra crossing. Maybe lollipop lady is making them cross. That's why traffic is stopping. Okay, traffic started moving now smoothly, and this is called Pelican Crossing, where people press the button and lights change and they cross the roads. Yes, traffic started getting busy slightly. So I don't know what sort of video going to be it, because visibility is not very good, light is not very good, but anyhow we'll see. This is an experiment. First time I'm going to make this video. So we'll see what sort of result I get. I'm heading towards Doncaster town center. So because that Pakistani shop is other side of Doncaster, so I have to go through the town center. only few minutes away from the town, but I have to pass from one side of the town. I'm not going through the center, but when I'll pass by the side, I'll show you this is a main town center. It's getting quite dark, and if it's not that late, if it was not cloudy, there should be a good light, and because of clouds, you know, it's, weather is more, you know, darkish. Again, there is some traffic started moving, stopping and moving slow. Maybe another school around here, and mostly it looks because of children. These things happen at this time. Yes, there are children. They were crossing the roads, I think that's why traffic was stopping. But now traffic is stopping because the lights are red. So obviously we have to wait, because cars don't like red lights, they like green lights. A nice car in front of me, very expensive, very good, and my car is alright, not bad. It solved my purpose. I do give driving lesson in this car as well, so it's a really good car, easy to drive. Rather, I would say this car is more expert and trained than me, because I've been teaching pupil learner for a long time, so that's why car is more experienced than me. Not more experienced, but I would say more expert than me. As a joke, not serious. That's what sometimes I say to my learners as well. This car is very expert, don't worry, you'll be okay. So this is a roundabout. Lights are red, and when you have to enter the roundabout, if roundabout traffic is controlled by lights, so when light will change to green, then I would be able to go. But if roundabout is not controlled by light, then we have to look from the right side, because the traffic which is coming from right side, they had a priority. Those people who would be close, we'll let them go past, and those who are, if there somebody is not close, then we can enter the roundabout. Its light is green, so it's safe to go, because other traffic has stopped because the light changed to red. Now I'm going through, going over the bridge, and only few minutes I am away from Doncaster town, main town. As soon I go on the top of the bridge, you would be able to see the town buildings. Now I think you will start seeing the towns. I think I have to change the lane, because yeah, it is safe to do so. There's a roundabout sign, and another roundabout, because it is very dark. There's a college on the Doncaster College is on the left side, and those buildings which you can see in front, that's the town almost started. But these are houses, not shops. Shops are further down. You can't see the shops, but that's the main town. So I'm going right at the roundabout. It's safe to go, light is green. That's my lane. I will keep, because I'm driving instructor, so that's why I'm talking the way I talk to my learners most of the time. So anyhow, I am in my lane, so that's where I give a left signal to let people know that next is my exit. So I'm out of the roundabout, and here I go. Main town is on my left side. Shops are down there on the left. And if I go further down, there is a railway station on the right side, and a big shopping center as well. I think they call it French Gate. Yeah, I think it's a French Gate, yeah. Traffic is again started getting busier. Few cars not. This is a big store, DK Max, and I think it's open. I'll show you train station when I go past, because train station would be on my right side and main town center would be on my left side. People are crossing the road. It's safe to cross because our light is red, their light is green, so they can, but not anymore. Come on lady, you have to wait. My lights are not on. I think I should turn my light on now because visibility is very poor. And I realized very late that I should have, otherwise I should have turned light on quite early. But anyhow, never, it's still not too late. Okay, so on left side is town center and right side is train station. I don't think you would be able to have a good view of train station, but you can see few buildings right in front, and I think that is the train station building, maybe. I'm not sure though. But shopping center, the main town, is on my left side. Heading towards another roundabout. I have to go straight here. Should have been left lane, but it's alright. I'm allowed to go from this lane as well. Left lane was more safer. This is not bad. Watch the traffic from right. This is safe to go, so I am in my lane now. And that's a car park, big car park, just for people and come for shopping. The park here. Petrol station open. Town is on my left side, main town. I think in a minute you would be able to see some part of main town, some shops maybe. Here another roundabout, going left at this roundabout. I give a signal left, let people know that I am turning. Dangerous from right. Roundabout is not controlled by traffic lights, so I have to watch the traffic from the right. Is it safe? Yes, it is safe. Here I go. This is the main town right in front of me. You can see a few shops and car parks. There's another car park on my right side, big car park on the left side. And shop is not very far now, I think just a few minutes away. There was a police station on my left side. There was a police car, a lot of police cars, and these lights, I have to go right, so gave the signal to turn right, and shopping center is on my left side. My light is still red. Those people who want to turn left, green arrow, yes, they can go left, but I can't. When I'll get a green light, I think maybe green arrow, then I will be able to go right. Yes, now it's safe for me to go, and here I go. not far from the shop now, and I'm going to park my car on the left. Around here, anywhere there are two Indian shops. One is a meat shop and one other stuff. They sell other, grocery stuff in this shop. Very good people, nice chap. They give really good welcome whenever you go in their shop. Nice smile, hello, everything. And I think I have to park my car somewhere here if there is any room. And I think yes, there is a room, but I have to go a bit on the footpath. Yes, I think over here I will go on the footpath. Okay, mister. There I am on the footpath now. Shop is on the right side, and there I go. Shops on my right side, which you obviously can't see. Okay, now I am parking here to get some stuff. I have done my shopping and now setting back. Now I'm going through the town center. It's really dark, so let's see what sort of video I make and whether you would be able to see anything or not. Heading towards the main road. Shop is on the right side, and there I go. My headlights are on because it's really dark now. The road is not that busy. It's not safe to go yet. Traffic is coming from the right, so they got the priority, so I have to wait. When it's safe, then I'll move. I think still is quite busy. And now I think it's safe, and now I can go. Main town center is on my left side, and there is a race course which is not very far from here. First there is a big roundabout, and on the right side, I don't think you would be able to see it, there is a race course on the right side. And when I turn left from the roundabout, I will go through the main town center this time. In normal circumstances, this time track is always very busy, but because of Corona, it's not that busy now. There are just few cars. Otherwise there would be a big long queue at this time. Center, big roundabout. The big building is in a town center in the main town. So on the right side is a race course which is not very far from here, and I have to go left at this roundabout. And this roundabout is not controlled by traffic lights, so I have to watch the traffic from the right. It's not safe to go yet, and now it is safe to go. towards town center now. Only few cars. This is a zebra crossing, so when somebody is waiting to cross the road, so by law you have to wait, stop the car and let them cross the road. In a Pakistani shop, there was one Pakistan lady, like my daughter, and she had a little baby. She was a very nice girl, and when she did the shopping, I think she made some mistake. She wanted to pay for my shopping as well, so then shopkeeper told, no, it's not yours. So then I told her, I said, yeah, if you want to pay mine, I don't mind. I just laughed. And she said, no, if you really want me to pay, I'll pay. I said, no, I'm just joking. You don't have to. And then she asked me where you live. I said, I live in Birmingham, very far. So she said she lives here. She hasn't seen Birmingham. I said, why don't you come with your family, husband, be my guest over there? She said she will love to. And she asked me to come for a tea at her home. She really insisted. I said, no, I'm getting late because I got to go. But she was a really, really nice lady. I said, you are just like my daughter. She was a very generous girl, you could tell. Okay, here I'm turning right. So main town is right in front. That's the main town. But I have to turn here, and again I will go through the town. From this roundabout, I am turning left. And it's safe to go, no traffic on the right at all. And then there is another mini island. Again I have to go straight. I have to look for the danger on the right. If no on the right, then it would be safe, and it is safe. So I am going, my priority, left side has to wait for me. But when Pakistani driver come in this country first time and drive, they are very scared of left side as well, because that's what happened in Pakistan. Everybody got priority over there, left and right from everywhere. So that's why they think the left side person is going to come in as well. But then slowly, gradually they get used to it. There is a road works, so that's why I have to wait. Light is red, and this is the main town. Right in front of me, left and right, there are shops. And main town is on my left side. I am passing this town from the right side. Here I go, and here I go. Traffic lights are green. If they don't change, they change, so I have to wait. If it was too close, I could have gone. Then it's illegal to go past through the amber if you are too close and fast. But I was quite far, so I have to wait. So main town is on my left side. You can see a few shops right in front of me as well. And there are a few shops on my right side as well. Town is very quiet because a lot of shops are closed. Only few shops are open. I don't know why they are doing it. Corona is a real corona. There is no doubt about it. It's same as real as a cough, cold, fever. But I don't know why do they advertise that much, corona, that many people died. I don't understand that thing. And who make that decision? Not doctors, politicians, leaders. They are making decision corona because they are more expert about corona, because their eyesight is very good, telescopic or microscopic eyesight. They can see corona coming. And And doctors, no. I don't think they are giving chance doctor to say anything. Mainly these are the politicians. But God knows. In my view, mostly people die of corona because they are scared or their immune system is really bad. So when your immune system bad, yeah, obviously you can die with a cough, cold, any disease. You can die. What to talk of corona? Corona is a fact, no doubt about it. But this is a new name for this cough, cold, dysentery, fever, all that stuff. This is a new name because corona has recently born. So obviously when some new thing born, you have to give a new name. New child came in the world, so we have to give a new name. The old names were cough, cold, flu, dysentery, fever. Yeah, these are children's old name. But corona is a newborn baby, so we gave this baby name Corona. Very naughty baby. Very, very naughty. I don't know, you're going to agree with me or not, but that's why you always say. But people say, oh, you don't believe corona. I said, no, there is a corona. Who says there is no corona? Roundabout not far from my home, traffic light controlled roundabout, light change, traffic on the right is stopped and it's safe for me to go. Light green, 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 and here I go, light green. And this red light, very confusing, it's not for me. I don't know why they have put it over here. There was light green and there's one red, God knows. There are a lot of some things which are very confusing, and for new driver especially they can be very, very dangerous. Some signs they are not correct and some marking on the road are wrong. So if there is a new driver, it's very difficult for them to spot out that this thing is right or wrong. So they can end up with accident. Not very far from home, and my son has come back from work and he is waiting for me. And my son's name is Sayyid Mustafa Haider, and they call it Muza. That's his nickname. Very decent lad, loving son, loving and caring, and he is a football coach. He loves doing his job. His wife is very good. She is very hardworking. She is doing a job as well. He is doing a job as well. He got two sons. One is 4-year-old and one is 3. Lovely, lovely son. The older one really loves me. When he will see me, he will come running to me. He will say, "Granddad, I am really missing you." And give me a nice cuddle, and he will lay down on me and he will insist, "Granddad, I want to sleep with you." And most of the time he does sleep with me. His name is Asher. He's older, and the younger one's name is Horace. Horace is a very tough lad. He looks like a born boxer. He got blue eyes, and he's beautiful. And I call him Billa. Okay, not far off from home, and I gonna turn left here. That's my road, turning left. And this is a parked vehicle, and now I am turning. This is a pub which is closed. No business, no drink. Safe to go. And now right. There is a shop on the corner. Looks like there are lights very open. I don't know what sort of shop is it. So I have to see the result now, that what sort of video that would be. I'm really looking forward to. I was very scared of making video by myself in a car, but I gathered some courage. I thought, let's do it, and I did it. Now I'll see what sort of result would be it, and then I'm going to make a very long video from Doncaster, Yorkshire to Birmingham, which will be about roughly 2 hour long video. I love doing it. I always wanted to do it, so I got a chance to do it. There is a big park right in front of me, and here I am now. Finish the journey back home.